Sairam, dear children, welcome to EVS class. Let us start today's class by chanting Omkar 3 times. Om. 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 Sairam, children. Children, we are going to learn about the uses of plants. Okay. For that, I will take you to the Tata class Edge. Let me type the school's name. School's name, username, and password. In. Yes, it's coming. It is here. We will see this one, medicinal plants. Okay, children. It's taking time. Okay, it has come. Yes. Different uses of plants. Let us watch the video.
You know, plants give us many things. Food, wood, medicines. But which part of each plant do we use? Let's play a game to find out. Click on the part of each plant that is commonly used to make medicines. Then click Check Answer.
See children, these are medicinal plants. Okay. This is turmeric plant, neem plant and tulsi plant. So which part of this plant is used as medicine? Okay. See this one. This is the yellow part. This is turmeric. Okay. But children, this is not a root. It is underground stem. It is called rhizome. Okay, children. So this part is used, isn't it? When you have cough and cold, mother used to mix this turmeric powder in milk, isn't it? So this is a medicinal plant. He used turmeric as medicine. Here, which part of the plant is used as medicine? Yes, leaves of the neem plant. Okay. So we have to click this part. Here, tulsi plant, you use leaves. We will check the answer.
Right answer. The root of the turmeric plant, neem leaves and tulsi leaves are used to make medicines.
Children, here it is at that root. It is not root, it is underground stem. Okay, children. Next question. Next one.
Cotton clothes, jute bags and linen. Which plant parts give us the fibers we use? Click on the correct part of each plant.
We get fiber from different plants. Okay. See, this is cotton plant. We have to click this part. This is the cotton ball. Okay. Let us click here. Now, this jute, this stem, the fiber of the stem is used for making jute sack. Have you seen jute sack? The sack is bag, jute bag is there. Okay, children. Flax is another one fiber we get from flax plant. Here also the stem is used. Now we will click the answer. Check the answer.
Right answer. We get cotton fibers from the cotton balls, jute fibers from the stem of the jute plant, and linen from the stem of the flax plant.
Next.
Click on the parts of these plants that give us food.
Food. Which part is used as food? Okay. See, this is sugar cane. So we use this part, isn't it? Stem. This is rice plant. See, here we can see the rice seeds. Grain or cereal, isn't it? Yes. So we have to click it here. And this is spinach. We use the leaves. Yes, isn't it? Okay. Now we will check the answer.
Right answer. We get food from the stem of sugarcane, the seeds of rice plants, and the leaves of spinach plants.
Okay, children, do you understand, children? We use different parts of the plants for different purpose, as food or medicine or getting fiber or getting oil, gum, isn't it? So many uses are there. Vegetables, fruits, we will see next one. Okay. That is this one. Uses of plants.
Uses of plants. We see many plants around us. Most of the plants are useful to us. They give us food, medicines, oils, fibers, wood, paper, rubber, and gum. Let's learn how plants are useful to us. All our vegetables come from plants. The leaves of plants we eat are cabbage and spinach. Potatoes and onion that we eat are the stems of plants. Carrots, beetroots, and radishes in our food are the roots of plants. Cauliflower that we eat is the flower of plants. We eat many types of fruits from plants, such as mangoes, grapes, bananas, and apples. We also use seeds of plants as our food. Groundnut, corn, and beans are seeds of plants. Seeds such as rice, wheat, and maize are called grains. Seeds such as Bengal gram or chickpea and red gram or pigeon pea are also called pulses. Seeds of plants such as groundnut, mustard, sunflower, and olive are used to produce oil. We use seeds of coffee plants to make coffee, and we use cocoa seeds to make chocolates. We make tea from tea leaves and sugar from sugarcane stems. Spices such as cardamom, black pepper, clove, cinnamon are all different parts of plants. Plants such as cotton and jute give us fibers that can be woven into cloth. We make rubber and paper from different plants. Trees such as teak and pine give us wood for our furniture. Flowers such as rose and jasmine are used to produce perfumes. Summary: plants give us food, oils, fibers, wood, paper, rubber, and gum.
Children, these are the uses of plants. Okay. Now let us see another worksheet. Okay, this is one fiber. This is cotton ball. We get cotton thread from fiber from this plant, cotton plant. Fiber is a thread-like substance from which textile is woven, means cloth. Okay. Vegetable. Vegetable is any part of a plant that is consumed by humans as food. Rubber. Rubber is a soft material obtained from the trunks of some plant. See, from this tree, rubber tree, we get white milk-like thing. It is used to make rubber. Okay, children. Next. See, here wheat, cauliflower, cabbage, potato, radish, grapes are these pictures of these things are given. We have to drag the images. These are the images of the different parts of the plants to the correct boxes. Here, how many boxes? 6 boxes are given and 6 images are also given. So, we have to drag and drop in correct box. Here it is written leaves. So, which one is the leaf vegetable? This one, this one, this one. Yes, cabbage is a leafy vegetable. So, let us click and drag and drop here. Okay. What is written here? Stem. Which one is stem vegetable? See, grapes, root vegetable is there. This is flower. This is seed vegetable, grains, cereals, wheat. So, this one is potato. Potato is an underground stem vegetable. Okay, see. Yes. Next one is roots. Yes, radish is a root vegetable. Next, flower, cauliflower. Yes, it is a flower vegetable. Then fruits. Yes, grapes. Next, seeds. Which one? Only one is left. That is wheat. Yes. Now, submit.
Excellent.
Yes. Okay. Now, we are going to see the same in the textbook also. Okay, children, let me to take the textbook. Let me to log out from here. Yes. Yes, it is coming. Okay. Okay. Yes. See, children, we have seen some medicinal plants there, isn't it, in the video? So, some questions are here. When you are sick, do you take any medicine which we get from plants? What do you take when you get hurt? Yes, we have seen the turmeric powder, isn't it? If we have hurt, if you have a wound, you can put the turmeric powder paste there. Okay, children. Next is stomach ache. Yes, if you have stomach, ajwain can be used, mint can be used. Okay, children. Cough and cold, turmeric, tulsi leaf, toothache. Yes, we can use clove. Okay, children, long clove. Here, choose the correct basket for each item. Draw a line to match. See, first one is here. 4 baskets are here. Flowers, fruits, leaves, any other part other than leaves, flowers and fruit. Okay, so you can drop here. Now, first one is ginger. I told you that ginger is an underground stem. So, stem is not there. So, we have to match this with any other part of a plant. Okay. So, we will draw line from here to this basket. Now, carrot. Carrot is a root vegetable. So, we have to draw a line towards any other part. Now, flowers of Kajnar flower. It is used as a vegetable. Flower of Kajnar. Have you seen Kajnar flower? Pink colored flower is there. Okay, children. So, this is a flower. So, we can match this with this basket. Mango is a fruit. So, we have to match with the fruit. Jackfruit is also a fruit. Match with this one. Amla. Amla is also a fruit. We can draw here towards fruits basket. Gram. Gram is Yes, seed, isn't it? Okay. So it's a pulse. We have to drop here. Any other part of a plant. You have to match here. French beans. Yes, it is a fruit vegetable. We can draw here. Spinach. What is spinach? Leafy vegetable. Here. Lotus stem. Other part stem. Curry leaf. Leafy vegetable is here. Okay, there. Like that. Mustard seed. So we have to drop here. Then cauliflower. Yes, flower basket is here. We can match with this. Radish, root vegetable. Root is not here. So we have to drop here. Then potato. Potato is an, yes, underground stem. So we can match with this one. Banana. Banana is a fruit. Okay, here. Okay, children. So you can do this. Okay. Can you do this one? Children, can you do this one? You can match with the vegetables
ma'am.
with the different baskets. Okay, children. So, children, today we are going to stop the class. We will do Shanti part. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sairam, children. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Okay, children.